Hello children, today I am going to teach subtraction. Okay, what is meant by subtraction? Subtraction is the one of basic operation in mathematics. Already we know the basic operation in mathematics. What is that? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, already we have studied elaborately about the addition now, right? You know some basics about the addition. That also you have to take some ideas in the subtraction also. Okay, subtraction means take away. It is a minus symbol. It is subtraction means minus, right? The answer that you get by the subtraction of two numbers is called the difference. The two numbers you are adding, I mean subtraction, right? That is difference, right? Now it is new thing what we are going to learn in this lesson. It will be properties of the subtraction. Properties of subtraction. Then in subtraction of 2-digit, 3-digit without regrouping, and word problems also based on addition and subtraction. Okay, these are all I am going to teach you today. Okay. Now I am going to give an example here. Okay. It is today's your birthday. It will be today. It is birthday. You have 150 sweets your mom gave to you. Huh? Okay, fine. You just distribute these chocolates to your friends, right? Right. You happily are going. You are distributing this 150 chocolates in the big packet that you are going to distribute to your teachers, bus friends, your schoolmates, and all your friends everywhere. Everyone you are going to distribute the chocolates. Okay. He is having how many chocolates? I told you 150 chocolates. His mom gave. Your mom gave. Now he is the Madhav. I mean that boy name is Madhav, right? Just take like that. The Madhav gave 45 sweets to his classmates. 45 to classmates. Okay, 45 to classmates. 16 sweets to his teachers. 16 to teachers. Then 35 chocolates to his friends. Okay, fine. Okay, then a few chocolates. Okay, what happened? When he comes home, few chocolates remaining, it is in the packet. Still it is few chocolates, it is with him. Okay. Now mom, here there are how many chocolates are there in the packet? His mom is asking. So what he is doing, in sense that remaining chocolates he is counting. Okay, suddenly his mom is telling, stop counting like this. Okay, what you will do, don't count like this, calculate how many chocolates you have distributed, total it. So 45 plus 16 plus 35, which gives it is 96. You take it out 96 from 150, you will be getting 54. So the 54 chocolates in the packet. So it was so quick. So quickly she calculated, right? So whenever he has distributed all these numbers, this chocolate, 45 plus 16 plus 35, totally if you add, how many it is coming? 96 is coming, right? It will be 96 is coming. Then take out 96 from 150, you will be getting 54 chocolates in the packet. Okay, now I am going to, let's little more learn about the subtraction now. Properties of subtraction. What is meant by property? One, I am telling you. If we subtract or take away 0 from a number, the difference will be the number itself. See, first I'm telling you 29 minus 0 is equal to 29. 145 minus 0 is equal to 145. 1341 is minus 0 equal to 1351 only. 61 minus 0, 61 only. Okay. So whatever number you are subtracting with the number, the answer will come the same number. So that is the first property. The second property, what it tells, when the number is subtracted from itself, the difference is 0. See now, 55 minus 55, 0. 29 minus 29 is 0. 1351 minus 1351 is 0 again. Okay, so this is a property number 2. Now I am telling property 3. Property 3 is when we subtract 1 from a number, we get a predecessor. What is predecessor? It is the number which comes before. Am I right? Before it is. So 7 minus 1, predecessor of 7 is what? 6. 93 minus 1, the predecessor of 93 is minus 1, it will be what? 93, 92. The predecessor of, 158 minus 1 means what? 157. Okay, that is a third property. Now what is the fourth property? You cannot change the order of the number in subtraction. The greater number is always comes first. But here in this addition I told you, you have changed the order, then the sum will be very same, I told you guys. But here you cannot change the order. Okay, you can tell 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, but here you cannot tell 4 minus 5 is not equal to 1. You cannot tell that. You cannot change the order here. Okay, so here what? 79 minus 45 is equal to 34. But 45 minus 79 is minus 34. Negative numbers and all you can learn in higher classes. Now you don't want. Now you don't worry about it. First of all, what you have to learn here, the bigger number minus smaller number. That's it. Okay, don't put a smaller number and down bigger number means the answer which is coming negative value it will come. Okay, so always you have to remember the bigger number minus smaller number. Then the answer which is coming a positive value. Okay. Now small example I am going to give. 210 minus 0. What is 210? 159 minus 1. Predecessor of 159 is what? 158. 399 minus 1. 398. 470 minus 470. 0. 213 minus 0. 213. Right? So these are all the examples which is coming in the property 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So best example if I tell, okay, 5 minus 0 is what? Again it is 5 only. Already I told you guys. Then subtraction of 2-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping means in sense you don't have any carryover. Not carryover here actually guys. Addition only you have carryovers, right? Here you have to borrowing. Okay, but here I am going to give one example without regrouping, addition of 2-digit numbers. Okay. 69 minus 48. How to do it? The very same thing what I told you in addition, ones, tens place it again, it will be ones, tens. This is ones, this is tens, this is ones, this is tens. It is 9, 6, 8, 4. Now I am going to subtract now. Minus symbol is here. 9 minus 8. 9 ones minus 8 ones. 1 ones. 6 tens minus 4 tens. 2 tens. So 21 is your answer. From 69, take away 48. From 69, you have to take away 48. You will be getting 21. This way you have to find. Always remember, I told you the bigger number is placed above the smaller number. Bigger number is placed above the smaller number. Right. This is a without regrouping it is. The next thing is one more number I will be telling without regrouping. Example I am giving. Here subtract 75 ones, it is 10, subtraction 61. Okay, you have to subtract now. 5 ones minus 1 ones, it is 4 ones. 7 tens minus 6 tens, it will be 1 tens. So 14 is your answer. It's very easy. Okay, So again, if you want 5 ones are there, 1 is remaining, it is 4. So 4 ones, 7 plus 7 minus 6, 7 will be there, 6 is going, the remaining is 1. So this way you can find it using small, you can use using your fingers also you can do it. Like without regrouping and all, you can use your fingers, then you can solve the problems very easily here. Okay. The next one is subtract the following by arranging them in the columns. Same, only column wise you are going to subtract now. 59 from 79. 59 from 79. From 79, take away 59. I told you bigger number should come first. Here it is bigger number 79. This is ones, this is tens, 59. Right? 9 minus 10, 9 minus 9, 0. 7 minus 5, it is 2. 9 ones minus 9 ones is 0. 7 tens minus 5 tens will be 2 tens. So it will be answer is 20. Right. Now subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping, it is very important. Yeah, with 3-digit numbers without regrouping also it is very same, right? Even what you have done in 2-digit, that is very same in the 3-digit it is, right? Okay, 413, subtract 413 minus, it is 824 minus 413. Okay, how to do it? It is like ones, tens, it is hundreds. 4 minus 3 is 4, minus 3 is it is 1. 2 minus 1 will be 1. 8 minus 4 is 4 again. So 411 it is answer. Without regrouping you can easily find it. But the thing is you have to concentrate on the with the regrouping, right? Okay. And one more thing, already I told you, when you add difference, when difference will be getting the answer which you are getting, right? How you can check the answer, it is right or not. Okay, you have done the sum, right? Because then I don't know if it is correct answer or not. But here I will tell you one trick to find it is correct or not. I will tell you the trick here. See, 269 subtract with minus 123. It is ones, tens and hundreds here. Okay. What you will do? Normally what you will do? 9 ones minus 3 ones is 6. It is without regrouping this. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. And hundreds place, 200 minus 100 is 1. Okay. This answer is right or not? I don't know now. Checking the answer. How it will be? The answer 146 and the smaller number. This smaller number, right? 123. Just add together. It is checking purpose. It is check. So 6 plus 3 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is also ones, tens, hundreds, right? Okay. 269. See? 269. I got it. So the answer what you got is 100% right. Okay. What I am telling, this whenever the answer plus the smaller number, if you add together, you will be getting this answer. See? 269. The same question also I got it. So the answer which you got is correct. Now, subtracting now 2-digit and 3-digit with regrouping. In subtraction, regrouping, otherwise I can tell it as borrowing. Okay, borrowing. What is meant by borrowing? Okay, in the school and all you can borrow some pencil, rubber from your friends, right? Okay, you give me some what is that? A pencil 1 hour you give me some borrowing. This way. So numbers also can borrow. Right. See, I will tell you. Subtract 456 from 772. Okay. So what, first of all, bigger number minus smaller number. Okay. First this one you have to write. Okay. Then here it is, it is ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now I am going to subtract. Here you have to listen carefully. Right? What happens there? Before that, when I entering into the sum, I want to clarify something. Okay. 1 tenth is equal to 10 ones. 1 hundredth is equal to 10 tenths. Already you know this one. In addition also, I told you it is the very same thing you are going to see here also. 2, 6. 2 is there. Where I subtract this 2 from 6 here. This 6 is, I cannot subtract from, I cannot subtract this 6 from 2, right? Where I can subtract? I cannot. So this 2, what is planning? Okay, nearby the number, near is a friend is there here, 7. Okay, I can take some borrowing. I can take. This 2 is asking here, this 7, from 7. Okay, you give me one number, you just give me. Because 6 I want to subtract here. Okay, this 2 is borrowing from tens. The 6 is, the 2 is borrowing from 7. Okay, so what that 7 is, okay, fine. He is also my friend, no. Okay, that the 7 is also ready to give now number. Which number? One number it is giving. Only one number. Already it is a 7 tenths, right? 110 only it is giving. 110, right? This is a 110 it is giving. 110 it is giving all, this is 2 ones it is. 1 tens plus 2, how much it is? 12. The number becomes here what? 12 it is coming now. What is the number here? 12. Okay. This is, here I will write then. For your convenient, I can write here. Okay. This 7 I can borrow, from the 7 I can borrow one number, it is 12. This is 6 now. Because one last, the 7 gave, right? So 7 minus 1 is 6 here. Now this becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is what? 6. Okay. 6. Now 6 is here. Now forget about this 7. 7 you forget. Now 6. 6 minus 5. Yeah, I can do. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay, bigger number minus smaller number. Fine now. 7 minus 4. Again I can do it. Okay, this is 3. Yeah. So the answer is 316. Okay. So again, one more sum I will tell you. Then you can understand better. Now, one more sum. With regrouping only, I am going to regrouping or borrowing, it is very same. The number is, see, listen. So, ones, tens, only 2 digit I am taking first of all. Okay, 48 minus 39. Listen now, 8 is there, 9 is there. Smaller number I cannot subtract with the bigger number. Right? This 8, what it is planning? I am going to get borrow from 4. Right? This 4 is also ready to give the number. Right? Fine. This 4 is giving the one number here. It becomes what? 18. Because 1 tenth is giving. 10 number is giving. 10 plus 8 is what? 18 it is. This becomes 3. Because one last, right? 18 minus 9 is what? 9. 9, 3 minus 3 is 0. The answer is 9. Okay. Now one more. $315 minus 228. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now what I will do is 5, 8. It never goes, right? It's smaller number, it is a bigger number. It won't go. So this 5 is borrowing from tens. The 1 is borrowing from tens. Here it becomes, what happens here? 15. Okay, this becomes 0. Right. 15 minus 8 is 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. Again 0. Again it will not go. This also getting it is 0 and 2, it will not go. What happens? This tens wants to borrow from hundreds, right? So this becomes, this will be 2 here. Okay. Now what happens? 10 minus 2, right? 0 will be, that 0 will become 10 tens. 10 tens becomes what? Hundreds. 10 minus 2 is 8. 2 minus 2 again 0. The answer is 87. You guys understand? It's easy, right? The subtraction with the regrouping is little bit, you have to get clarify with this place values. Once you know about the place values very easily, right, you can do sums without mistakes, right? Okay, now I am going to give the subtraction in 4-digit numbers with the regrouping only. What is meant by regrouping? It is borrowing, right? One sum I will give. It is subtract 2498 from 5409. Okay, it is ones, tens, 100,000, right? Okay, 9 minus 8, it will go 9, 8, 1, it will be fine. 0 minus 9, it never go, 0 it won't go, because smaller number minus bigger number, it's not possible here. So it will be, I am taking that one number borrowing from the hundreds place. It is 1. This is 3. Okay, borrowing means it will not give all the numbers, 1 only it will give. Okay, so 10 minus 9 is what? 10 minus 9 is what? Here it is 1. Again 3. So 3 minus 4, it won't go. So again the 3 wants to borrow from thousands. So this will become 13. This is 4. 13 minus 4, how much it is? 9. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. This 3 already it is there. This is not going. So again I am taking the borrow. It is 13 minus 4 is 9. 4 again the last will be 5. Already 5 already it was there. 1 has given. Then 4 minus 2 is 2 now. Okay, one more sum. That one more sum is okay. Then the one more sum in the 3 in the with regrouping I am going to give. Okay, listen now. Subtract now. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place. Okay, 4-digit number I am giving. 7493 minus subtract 2947. Right, now I am going to do properly. You have to listen here again. So 3 minus 7, can it go here? 3 minus 7, no, right? This is 13, this is 8, it will be 1 tens I am going, it is okay. 1 tens plus 3, it is 13. 13 minus 7 is what? It is 6. This is 6. Then tens. 8 tens minus 4 tens, it is 4 tens, correct. 4 again 4, it will not go, right? 4 hundreds minus 900, it will not go. So this is 14. This is make it as 14. This is 6. Okay. 14 means what? 14 hundreds means 1 thousands plus 4 hundreds. So that will be like what? 14 hundreds. So 14 minus 9 is what? 5. Okay. 14 minus 9 is 5. Okay. Then next is 6 minus 2. It is 4. Over. Last 1000 is 6000 minus 2000 is 4000. Right.